What's up, everyone? Welcome to 2020. I have a really good idea for you to start off your new year with, and that is a one-word technique to help you get through any anger that you're experiencing. So, here it is. The next time you're angry, the next time you're furious, as angry as can possibly be, I want you to try this one-word technique. Ready for it? Here it is. Say maybe. In other words, you might be furious through the roof. You might feel so certain that things are exactly the way you think they are. But by infusing the word maybe into your own thought process, now instead of being so certain that it is exactly the way you think it is, well, maybe there's another side. Maybe there's another perspective on this interaction that is different from what you realize. We all have a tendency to minimize the harm we cause others and maximize or amplify the pain they cause us. So if we cut someone off in traffic, it's no big deal. Why are you getting so mad? But if someone cuts us off in traffic, well, that's a big deal. But by infusing the word maybe into our internal dialogue, here's what happens. Instead of being arrogant and thinking we know exactly what happened, now we say, well, this is what I know, but maybe there was more to it. Maybe this person was suffering or struggling internally in a way that I couldn't see. And maybe there were reasons why things happened the way they did. Maybe there's a lesson in this for me that can radically transform my life if I pay attention to that lesson. By telling yourself the word maybe, you move from a position of arrogance and certainty to a position of humility and curiosity. Now, instead of neurologically being steeped in your emotional center, this is exactly what happened, and when we feel certain, the reality is we're actually being emotional, then we move from that area of the brain to our higher level frontal cortex. That's our thinking part of our thinking center of our brain. And we move by just saying the word maybe. Maybe there's more to it. And listen, there's a lot more to all of this stuff, but this one word can significantly change the way you are experiencing the anger you have right now or any future anger you might encounter. Until next time, as always, I wish you much peace.